Guys, subscribe to my channel, hashtags with WeChill, and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we'll be doing origami rocket model which actually flies. So without further delay, let's get started. Alright, so guys, for this rocket model we need a square piece of paper. Let's begin. So first you need to fold it along the diagonal axis like this on both sides to form an X. This is how it looks. Now you turn your page and then fold along the horizontal axis, edge to edge, properly just make a crease. Really sorry for the sound, background sound, there are a lot of kids playing. Alright, now we fold it like this along these creases. It will form a triangular shape like this. Now you have two flaps on this side and two flaps on this side. All you need to do is fold one flap. First, let's do it this way so that you have proper folds, and now you can fold it like this. Take the reference like this and then you can fold it exactly towards the center. Fold it like this here. Now you fold this portion till the center like this. Press it properly. Now similar thing, we do it on this side. This is a symmetric model again, so you repeat the same set of steps on all the sides. Now you have this flap, you need to fold it till this point like this. Similarly, we do it on this side. Now we repeat the same set of steps on this side. So let's have these creases first. Let's fold it like this. One fold here, one fold here. And now this fold till the center. You can take reference to match this portion like this and like this. And then we fold it, these two flaps like this, and here we fold it like this. Now you need to open this from the bottom like this. Open it to form a square shape like this basically, and then press these portions back. And this is the rocket model. It's very easy actually. And this flies when you put a straw from this portion and then you blow it. So let's try that out, and this is the final rocket model. So guys, I hope your rocket is ready to take off. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal, thank you so much, and I'll see you all back next week. New content, new videos, stay tuned.